Hey guys, and happy Friday. So today we have two boxes here. These arrived yesterday evening, and so now today we're gonna go ahead and open them. I'm very excited for these trees. No, they're not fruit, but I am excited for these. The taller box on the left is from Wilson Brothers, and they're located in McDonough, and the shorter box here on the right is from Home Depot. So let's go ahead and open them so I can show you guys what they look like. Okay, as you can see here, I opened the bottom of this Home Depot box and I had to go all the way down this left corner edge of the box to open it here. So let's go ahead and see. So these are decent sized plants. They have one on each side of the box, and they're potted, thank God, because I don't have time to pot anything right now. Okay, so these are beautiful. All right, let me see if I could just pull them out. Yeah, they don't look like they're tied down. So I need two hands for this, guys. I'm gonna pull these out. So I took both plants out the box. They need a little dirt and a lot of water, but they look good. These are 3-gallon purple crepe myrtles. I think the name for this kind is called Catawba, if I'm saying that right. There's a lot of buds on here, as you can see, a lot of flower buds, and the purple color is very beautiful. And I think, yeah, see, I don't know if you guys can see that yellow flower there in the middle, right there. Very pretty. But yeah, let's go look at the Home Depot one. Water these. I know they're gonna be very dry. And this one lost a lot of leaves. So this one, is I think it's a 2.5-gallon, a best red crepe myrtle. The best red I got because I had 2 last year and 1 died. So I wanted to get another one so I could have 2. So now I have this one, I have 2, and I bought the 2 purple Catawba crepe myrtle as well. These have the black leaves. This is the Black Diamond collection, and the purple Catawba will just have regular green leaves. So I'm gonna water these and come back to you guys. Okay, so I put these in the shade. So you're supposed to put newly delivered plants in the shade, just so they can recuperate from the travel, of being like stuck in a box for days. They're nicely watered now, and I will include pictures of both the Catawba and the Best Red. And I think these plants are supposed to get anywhere from 8 to 12 feet tall. So they're not supposed to be very large trees, which is what I want. And the pop of color is a nice statement in the garden. So yeah, that's about it. And let me show you the other red I have over here. You can see here it has some flowers left. I guess now it's losing the original flowers it had, and it has a new set here coming. So yeah, they're nicely watered and looking good. So thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a good day.